Kids 4 classes. 1 class is home. In today's English class, we will learn to fill the missing letters using vowels. So, before we start filling these blanks, using these vowels from the box. First tell me childrens, how many types of vowels are there? Yes. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 types of vowel. Let's spell together. A, E, I, O, and U. As we knew the letters in vowels. Now let us fill the missing letters by looking at the pictures. So childrens, can you say, this picture is of an? Yes. Apple. So let us spell together. A, P, P, L, E. Apple. Now tell me childrens, which letter is missing? Good. E. So we will write this E vowel here. Now, let us see the next picture. This picture is of a. Yes. Hen. So let us spell together. H. E. N. Hen. Now tell me childrens, which letter is missing from here? Very good. E. So we will write this same E letter here. Childrens, are you enjoying this English class? If yes, then let us see the next picture. Childrens, can you tell me the name of this picture? Yes, very good. This is a mango. So let us spell together. M. A. N. G. O. Mango. Here, 2 letters are missing. Can you tell me childrens? Excellent. A. N. O. So childrens, which letter we will write here? Yes. A. And here? Yes. O. Hope you all knew to find the missing letters. Now let us solve the last missing letter. This last picture is of. Excellent. A fish. Let's spell it together. F. I. S. H. Fish. So childrens, which letter is missing from fish? Yeah. Very good. I. So, which letter you will write here? Yes. This. I. Childrens, you all did very good in today's English class. I hope you will use this practice format to practice at home and know more about finding the missing letters. Again, I thank you all for today's tutorial. I will see you in a next one. Till then, enjoy practicing, stay safe, and God bless you all.